Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Quick guide on today's video. I'm going to show you how to delete a file in Google Drive. It's very quick and easy. So let's get started. First, open the Google Drive app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, launch the app and sign in using your Google account. Now on your screen, you're gonna find suggested and activity on the home option. Apart from that, you can search the file from the search bar on the top of your screen. Also, other options like start, shared and files are available on the bottom of your screen. I'm gonna go to files, then find the file that I want to delete. Now, I'm gonna delete this WhatsApp chat file. Just tap on the three-dot menu right beside it. Then from the menu that's appeared from the bottom of your screen, scroll up. Now at the end of the screen, you're gonna find remove option written there. Tap on it. Then select move to trash. And guys, that's it. That's how you delete a file on Google Drive. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.